All right, we've got another fort tour. This one is coming at you from East Nashville, Tennessee. This is one of the, if not biggest fort that we've created to date. 14 by 24 foot angled deck. There are 8 6x6s with 2x8 beams across for support and 2x8 joists as well. We did 45-degree angle 4x4s for extra added support, as well as blocking that you can see here in the middle. They wanted a ladder with a trapdoor that went up into a loft. So as you can see here, this trapdoor closes and opens so they can use the deck inside the fort. And then if they want to enter the fort through the trapdoor, they can open it like that and go up into the space itself. Okay, so something I didn't mention yet is, as you can see, we built over top of a fence, which might seem odd, but these two houses and neighbors are actually family members. So this is a conjoined paired fort situation. Something else that I just panned by was a bucket and pulley, which we love to add on almost all of our forts. It's a crowd favorite. As mentioned before, this is a 10 by 10 structure. We usually keep the walls about 6 feet, but because of this loft, we wanted to add a little bit more for headroom. Giving you a few more angles of the trapdoor and the ladder up to the loft. Their idea was wanting this loft for sleepovers and kind of to add a bit more of a dynamic feel. I'll circle around here to the outer deck, just a great place for play. I'm assuming they'll set up some chairs or a table up here. And then here's our third way to get up to the fort, a rock climbing wall. Something else to mention here, we love building on trees, but also love building around trees. So this deck went around this tree and gives it that true treehouse look. I'm closing the shutters and the doors now. Something I'll mention about these shutters is that we include small magnets that keep these shutters closed. A simple but effective little add-on. One more note, these clients went with basic Galvalume metal roofing. We normally go with a green roof, but I really like how the color of this one turned out. And there you go, a quick and simple tour of a very fun, big fort in East Nashville, Tennessee. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe for more like this.